Today I'm making a Fruity Pebbles cake. First, in a bowl, I'm going to add 1 box of vanilla cake mix. Next, I'm following the directions on the back of the box, so I'm adding eggs, oil, and then instead of water, I'm going to add milk. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then 2/3 of a cup of Fruity Pebbles cereal. Mix that up until combined. Next, I have a greased bundt pan. I'm going to add the cake batter into the bundt pan and then bake this at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. While the cake is baking, I'm going to make the frosting. So in a bowl, I have 1 stick of softened butter and 1/2 cup of marshmallow fluff. Mix that up until it's combined. Next, I'm going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Mix that up until combined. Then add 1/4 cup of heavy cream and mix that up until smooth. Once the cake was done, I added it onto a tray, and now that it's cooled, I'm going to frost the cake. Now that the cake is frosted, I'm going to cover it in Fruity Pebbles cereal. Here's an up-close look at the finished Fruity Pebbles cake.